I think it might be interesting to consider doing this version where one's on the top and one's on the bottom, and then you swing them around. 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 So you did what I did in terms of switching the relative position. You move them like this. And what you did was you slid the poi in a line, up and down, the same line of my body. Nothing wrong with that. It's a different technique than what I was doing. What I did was I did a large extension as if it was coming from this big circle here. I did half of the circle and stopped there, then half of the circle, stopped there, half of the circle, stopped there. So it's a long arm extension versus a linear extension where it's following a line. They are different technical terms. Great job discovering a new technique for yourself. Maybe drill each hand where you go top to bottom, to top, to bottom, to top, to bottom, to top, to bottom. And 5 more, and 4 more, 3 more, last 2, last 1, and switch arms, and then top to bottom, to top, to bottom, to top, to bottom, to top, to bottom. We'll see if it helps you. Top to bottom, to top to bottom. Okay, so then the next thing I would recommend that you do is grab your balls and poi balls and put your left arm up and your right arm down. And then we're going to do the Pilates. So what I want you to do is have your earlobes over your shoulders, over your hips, over your heels, with your knees soft, your pelvis tucked, and then these 2 hip bone muscles, you want to imagine a smile is forming between them, pulling you in and up and holding you vertical, erect as you're doing this. Your left is up, your right is down, and then you want to crawl stroke. But what you want to do is go a half position of the 360, so go 180. Note right there, you'd be doing a petal, then go 180. Note you'd be doing a petal, and spin, pedal, spin, pedal, spin, pedal, spin, and pedal, spin, and pedal, spin, and pedal, spin, and pedal, because this is what would happen when you put it together. Spin and pedal, spin and pedal, spin and pedal, spin and pedal. And so doing those arm drills would be really. It's your Pilates drills. Put it together with your one-handed drills, and then you can start putting it together. Okay, put your left arm up. Okay, and put your right arm down at 6. And now spin and change the positions, and then do a pedal. And then spin and change positions, and do a pedal. And spin and change positions. And spin and change positions. And spin and change positions. And spin, 6, 7, 8, spin, and